Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in the Ford Mondeo 2017 model. So if you go over to your music, click on music, you'll see there volume's turned down, but at the bottom, Ford Mondeo, click on there. That gives you your options, your iPhone or Ford Mondeo. Ford Mondeo's is a tick. So we'll go back to the record, over to the system. Then you've got audio. Click on audio. At the top you've got sources. Click on sources, and you want Bluetooth. At the moment it's on FM. You could well be on DAB or CD, but you want, just turn that down a little bit. I thought that was all the way down, but if I turn it up and then up here, there you go. It's a really good system. That's how you do that.